Welcome back to BlakeWrTv. It's been a long while. Tell us what we're cooking today, Chef Blake.
Okay guys, good morning. Hope everybody's doing great out there. It's been a while since we put up something again on the show. Part the other day we did some bacon, but today we did another egg omelette and some fried plantains today, along with other vegetables, because we need that vegetables.
You know what time it is, your boy Blake's in the house teaching you how to cook like a Jamaican, like a pro cook on your yard, eat for your yard.
I have some things lined up here. Tell me, what do you have here?
Okay, so here we have some sausages. We got them diced up, and we have some tomatoes. We have some pepper, some red and yellow pepper, and we have some red onions. We have some sweet fried plantains, and we have some scallion over there. So this is my ingredients to make my egg omelette, but we gotta also include the egg, right?
Yes.
Okay, so over here we have 4 eggs. We are about to go ahead and beat them, and here we have some salt and pepper and all-purpose pepper seasoning as well. Here, this we're gonna use to season up our omelette as well. Okay, so the oil is getting hot over here, and we are gonna go ahead and put the plantain in. So what you wanna do, you wanna make sure so the oil is at least 350 degrees hot. So you can put a piece of scallion in there and let them sizzle a little bit. That can tell you also when the oil is getting warm, or you can get like what they call that thing again. You can use a thermometer to check the oil. So we're gonna go ahead and add in our plantain.
So as you can see, the onions are that beautiful brown color we're looking for. So now we're adding in our plantains.
Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of oil in here, not too much. Just gonna go ahead and fry the plantain.
Guys, as you can see, we flipped our plantain. Look at that nice golden brown color. Make sure you guys leave a comment in the comment section below and let us know how you like the food, how it's coming, how you're liking the channel, the videos we're putting up. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. We are ready to remove our plantain. We've got our tray here.
You just want to drain them, so when they come out, drain the oil.
Now these two on the side, we're gonna let them stay in a little longer. You know, the heat in the pot is hottest at the middle, so they need a little more time.
Which two are you talking about?
These two right here on the side.
Okay.
Maybe 3. There's 3 right there.
So now let's pull them out some more.
To the middle.
This one is looking good. Put this one in the middle.
Brown on the other side.
Then we have some more over here.
Add these in too, and still mire these 3 here.
This one break. Put it right here. I got one more. Just 2 of one.
Oh, this one.
It's that big one.
Oh.
Looks like you need to cut.
Cut.
Okay, how the brown one looking over there?
They look ready to eat actually. Can I try one?
You want to try one? It's hot. You don't want to wait till it cool?
I think I'll wait till the oil drains off. Then
Yeah,
I'll try
good.
one. Yeah.
And they're tasty and sweet.
At this moment, we are adding in our sausage to the pot. Guys, let us know what you want to see on the next episode of BlakeWrTvkitchen. Oxtails or excellent fish. Just comment that in the description below, and we'll choose from the most popular comment. Guys, we've removed our. What are we removing?
Some onion, some pepper. Egg omelet. Tomato.
Kind of sear them a little before we add in the scallion. What are you adding in right now?
Some seasoning. Give it some taste.
Complete seasoning?
Yep.
Kind of stir that down a little bit more. Mix our eggs up before we add them to the pot. How do you normally eat your eggs?
I like scrambled eggs. I don't like when my egg come out like a pancake. Okay guys, so now we have our egg, we are beat it. So it's time for us to go ahead and add the egg in. It's looking flavorsome over here. So here's our egg, guys. Looking good. Adding some season here. Give it a taste.
Pack on flavor. Add in our sausage. Spread it out so you can get some in every bite.
Yep. I have a Gordon Ramsay breakfast hash brown thing on my channel. I think that's very nice. Maybe some of my viewers
Like to
and
check
subscribers
that out
want to
also.
check out my Gordon Ramsay style breakfast with glazed bacon and hash brown.
The honey glazed bacon, that was my favorite part.
Yeah, the honey glazed bacon. That's a recipe from Gordon Ramsay from Hell's Kitchen and Master Chef. So you guys can go on my channel and find that Gordon Ramsay recipe. So we can keep it as this, as a pancake looking, or we can just go ahead and scramble it up. For me, I like my omelette to be scrambled. I do not really like it to be like a pancake. And I know a lot of people like it like that. Like it when it comes out like a pancake. But it doesn't matter, guys, because as long as you have all your ingredients in there, it is an omelette. That's what's important.
Guys, we are done cooking. You see, we finished our plantain, our omelet, and here we have our plate. And let us know.
Yes, guys, we finish up the egg omelette, and as you can see, we have our pineapple juice. We got some fried plantains and our egg omelette, and we are ready to eat. This is an easy, quick breakfast you can make at home. Save some money eating out. So thank you for quarantine eating with us. We appreciate all of you guys who follow us from Facebook, all of you guys who follow us from Instagram, who've been watching us on IGTV on Instagram. We appreciate that, guys, and keep on subscribing, especially those of you guys who come from TikTok as well. It's kind of weird that I'm getting subscribers from TikTok. That is so cool. I appreciate all of you guys. I love the love you guys been giving me. Comment on the video, guys, and share it. And look out for our escovitch fish and what's again?
Or oxtail. Just comment that and we'll choose whichever one is the most likely vote.
Okay, so go ahead and make your comment on the video, and we will choose the request with the most, the comment with the most requests for whichever one, either the the stew oxtail and the escovitch fish. Also, as I say about curry oxtail, there is a curry oxtail on the channel. If you scroll down on the videos, you will see a curry oxtail already been posted, so you can check that out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll check you guys out in my next video. Love, walk good, stay safe. Peace. Hey guys, this is Chef Blake. Just a heads up, I'm giving away $200 Visa on Christmas Day in a raffle to 1 lucky subscribers. All you have to do is subscribe and comment on 3 videos to win this $200.